The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 presents an impressive blend of power, performance, and practicality, making it an ideal choice for both urban commuters and outdoor adventurers. With a peak motor output of 1400 W, this electric bike is designed to deliver a robust riding experience, efficiently tackling a variety of terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2.0 is its powerful motor. The 1400 W peak motor provides ample torque, allowing the bike to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is quite impressive for an e-bike. This speed capability is not only exhilarating but also practical for commuting, helping riders navigate through traffic quickly and efficiently. The motor's performance is complemented by a high-capacity 48V20 lithium battery, which offers a commendable range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assist used. This means you can confidently embark on longer rides without the constant worry of battery depletion. The bike's design is both stylish and functional. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle rough conditions. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to a wide range of rider heights, ensuring a comfortable fit for various users. Additionally, the folding design is a significant advantage for those with limited storage space or who wish to transport the bike in a vehicle. A quick-release mechanism allows for easy folding and unfolding, making it incredibly convenient for both urban and rural settings. Another noteworthy aspect of the Ranger 2.0 is its suspension system. The bike features a front fork suspension that effectively absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a smoother ride on uneven surfaces. Coupled with wide 26-inch tires, this feature enhances overall stability and control, making it suitable for both paved roads and unpaved trails. Whether navigating potholes in the city or cruising along a scenic path, riders will appreciate the comfort this bike delivers. Braking is a crucial element for any bike, and the Ranger 2.0 does not disappoint. It comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes that offer excellent stopping power and responsiveness. This feature instills confidence in riders, especially when descending steep hills or maneuvering in high-traffic situations. The brake levers are ergonomically designed, making them easy to operate even during longer rides. In terms of technology, the Heybike Ranger 2.0 incorporates a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information at a glance. Riders can easily monitor their speed, battery life, distance traveled, and the selected pedal assist level. This intuitive interface enhances the riding experience, allowing users to adjust their settings on the fly as conditions change. Safety features are also a priority with this electric bike. Integrated front and rear lights ensure visibility during nighttime rides, while reflective elements on the tires add an extra layer of safety. The bike's sturdy build and quality components contribute to a reliable ride that enhances the overall safety of the user. Despite all its advantages, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The weight of the bike is on the heavier side, partially due to the robust construction and the large battery. While this contributes to the stability and durability of the bike, it may present a challenge when carrying it upstairs or loading it into a vehicle. Additionally, while the bike is designed for a variety of terrains, riders may want to invest in additional accessories such as a rear rack or a more advanced lock for added convenience and security. Overall, the Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is a comprehensive solution for those seeking a versatile electric bike that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Its combination of a powerful motor, long-lasting battery, quality construction, and comfort-focused design makes it a standout choice in the growing electric bike market. Ideal for both commuting and leisure, the Ranger 2.0 caters to a wide audience, from casual riders to more serious enthusiasts. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and powerful electric bike that delivers on